before blaming only willpower, ask this question: is your gut environment helping you or fighting you? So, what's the real story about Akkermansia and GLP-1? GLP-1 is the hormone targeted by medications like Ozempic, Wegovy, and GLP-1 helps with appetite control, insulin release, and blood sugar regulation. And some early research suggests Akkermansia and related gut changes may influence GLP-1 signaling, but this is not the same as taking GLP-1 medication. The effect is likely smaller and depends on diet, gut health, and overall metabolism. So the honest medical message is this: Akkermansia may support metabolic health, but it does not replace medical treatment, and calorie control and exercise and sleep and diabetes medication when needed.